Hey guys, I promised you guys I will document the mistakes that we make so you can learn from my mistake. So the way we built the pool, we did 2x6 all the way on the bottom, a little higher another 2x6, and there was one more 2x6 on the top. We had some 4x4s, 2x4s, and it turns out that it's not enough. We filled it up with water, and right away we had to pump the water out because it was bulging. All the walls are bulging out. It came out. I don't know if you can see. It pushed the 2x4. And the whole side of the pool is like an arch. Is bulging like this. So we had to pump the water out. Now we try to push everything back straight. We made these 2x4, 2x6 I-beams. So it's a 2x4, another 2x4 like this, 2x6 against the pool. From the 2x6 that comes from under the pool, we're gonna add another strong LVL all the way across, one piece, and we're gonna support from here to these I-beams. There it is. This side is pretty much done. We added a lot of extra support, as you can tell. Yeah, it was a big mistake assuming that the pool gonna be strong enough with only a 3 2x6s. It wasn't. So now the way it is should be good, but we only know once we fill it up with water again. So we're gonna fill it up with water and see how it is. Pool filled with water, pump is running. Let's see how it holds. Looks good. No more bulging. Looks nice. That's how we should have done it at the first place. Let's see this side. I can't see much, but looks good. No bulging. Awesome. Superman! Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.